Hi Soul Tribe, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I am taking you along with me as I make my whipped body butter. So I melted down my butters and oils and then I froze it. So I freeze mine for about an hour, and depending on how long you freeze it and how much you whip it, the consistency is going to be either thinner or thicker. I like to keep mine on the thicker side because I like to get more of more product like that. The more you whip air into it, the more it's going to be air and not product. So here you can see I whipped it. It's pretty thick. So now I'm placing it in the jar and getting ready to package it. And all of the butters and oils that I use are extremely medicinal for your body. They're high in vitamins and moisturizing properties. It's just amazing, and it smells like vanilla. So that is my body butter.